Assalamu alaikum, dear students of grade 6. I'm your social study teacher, and in this lecture, we are going to discuss chapter number 2, Major Land Features. So, dear students, let's start the lecture. Dear students, our Earth has 510 million square kilometer area. It has two portions, land and water, and about 29% of our earth is comprised of land and 71% is covered by water, which means if we divide our earth into four equal parts, so only one part will represent the land area and others three parts will represent water area. And dear students, let's discuss what is continent. Dear students, the land portion is comprised of 7 vast regions which are called continents. यानी ज़मीनी वो हिस्से जो बहुत ज़्यादा वसी इलाकों पर मुश्तमिल हो उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, continents कहते हैं. And they represent different countries. We have 7 continents. So dear students, let's discuss Asia. Dear students, Asia is the largest continent in the world. In its east lies the Pacific Ocean, and continent of Europe is located in the west, and in the north the Northern Ocean, and in the south the Indian Ocean is located. Dear students, our Pakistan is also located in continent Asia. On second number, we have continent of Africa. Dear student, it is the second largest continent. In its east lies the Indian Ocean, in the west the Atlantic Ocean. And dear students, most of countries in this continent are Muslim state. Islam is their major religion. On number third, we have North America. Dear students, it is the third largest continent. In its east lies the Atlantic Ocean, in the west the Pacific Ocean, the Northern Ocean in its north, and continent of South America in its south. And dear students, Mexico and Canada are famous countries of this continent. And number 4, we have South America. Dear students, it is the fourth largest continent. In its east lies the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean in its west, the continent of North America in its north, and in the south the Southern Ocean. On number 5, there is Antarctica. Dear students, it is the fifth largest continent. It is situated around the South Pole. There is no permanent inhabitation in this continent due to its extreme cool climate. Students, just because of its extreme cool climate, there is no life. It is not the land where human can exist, where human can spend their life. On number 6, there is Europe. It is the sixth largest continent. The continent of Asia lies in its east, in its west, the Atlantic Ocean, in the north, the Northern Ocean, and in the south, the Mediterranean Sea. And dear students, in the last, Australia. It is the smallest continent. In its east and north lies the Pacific Ocean, and in its west and south lies the Indian Ocean. So dear students, that's all we had in this lecture. I hope you have understood about continents. So it's time to give you some homework. So dear students, your question number 1 is define continent. I repeat, your question number 1 is define continent, and your question number 2 is describe the location of the continent of Australia. So dear students, do memorize the answers of given questions. Ask your tutor to conduct a test and send a pic of your test on school WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.